జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్లో మన విజ్ఞానాన్ని మరింత పెంచేందుకు టీశాట్ ప్రత్యేక కార్యక్రమం చేపట్టింది. పలు అంశాలపై మనకున్న తెలివితేటల్ని పరీక్షించుకోవడం, తెలియని అంశాలపై అవగాహన పెంచుకునేందుకు ఈ కార్యక్రమం రూపకల్పన చేసింది. ఈ ప్రత్యేక క్విజ్ కార్యక్రమంలో మీరు పాల్గొనాలనుకుంటున్నారా? మీ విజ్ఞానాన్ని మా ద్వారా ప్రపంచానికి పంచాలనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే మీ ప్రశ్నలు, మీ ఆప్షన్స్ టీశాట్ ఛానల్పై నేరుగా సంధించండి లేదా ఈమెయిల్కు పంపించగలరు.
First question is about Enterprises India. Which union ministry began the commemorative program Enterprise India? Option A, Ministry of Science and Technology. Option B, Ministry of MSME. Option C, Ministry of External Affairs. Option D, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Ministry of MSME. Shri Narayan Rane, Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME, inaugurated the ministry's mega event Enterprise India as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It's a series of commemorative entrepreneurship development activities to promote entrepreneurship culture as well as create awareness of the schemes and initiatives of the Ministry of MSME. Second question is about new missions. Question is on your screen. In which European country has India recently opened a new mission? Option A, Latvia. Option B, Lithuania. Option C, Hungary. Option D, Belarus. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Lithuania. The Union Cabinet approved a proposal to open a new Indian mission in Lithuania in 2022 to deepen political relations and strategic cooperation and enable growth of bilateral trade with the Baltic country. The decision to open an embassy in Lithuania is a part of the government's pursuit of its national priority of growth and development, or Sabka Saath Vikas initiative. India's diplomatic presence in Lithuania will provide market access for companies and improve exports of goods and services. Third question is about deals and purchases. Which billionaire has agreed to purchase microblogging platform Twitter? Option A, Jeff Bezos. Option B, Elon Musk. Option C, Warren Buffett. Option D, Bill Gates. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Elon Musk. The board of top microblogging company Twitter has agreed to a $44 billion takeover offer from the billionaire Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the world's richest person, according to Forbes magazine, with an estimated net worth of $273.6 billion. He runs the electric vehicle maker Tesla and the aerospace firm SpaceX. Fourth question is about sport. Question is on your screen. Which venue will host the Khelo India University Games 2021 in April-May 2022? Option A, Varanasi. Option B, Dehradun. Option C, Bengaluru. Option D, Pune. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. The Khelo India University Games 2021 is being hosted in Bengaluru from 24 April 2022 to 3rd May 2022. Over 4,500 participants from 190 universities across the country are competing with each other at the Khelo India University Games. The athletes will participate across 20 different sports, including indigenous sports like Mallakhamba and Yogasana during the event. Fifth question is about movements. Salwa Judu movement was associated with which Indian state? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Chhattisgarh. Option C, Jharkhand. Option D, West Bengal. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Salwa Judum, meaning peace march or purification hunt in Gondi language, was a militia that was mobilized and deployed as a part of anti-insurgency operations in Chhattisgarh, India, aimed at countering Naxalite violence in the region. Sixth question is about cultural activities. Putola Nach, which was making news recently, is the traditional string puppetry art of which state? Option A, Assam. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Odisha. Your time starts now. correct answer is option A, Assam. The COVID-19 pandemic has provided an Assam-based trust the opportunity to focus on a near-forgotten form of string puppetry called Putola Nach. It's a traditional string puppet theatre from Assam in northeast India. Putola Nach, Putaldal and Nach dance remains popular in Assam, whereas other forms of puppetry and shadow theatre have disappeared. The Ramayana, either in its entirety or by episodes, is performed as well as scenes from the Mahabharata. Seventh question is about festivities. Which institution organized a national level workshop on innovative agriculture? Option A, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Option B, Niti Aayog. Option C, NABARD. Option D, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Niti Aayog. The Niti Aayog organized a national level workshop on innovative agriculture in Vigyan Bhavan as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav festivities. Eighth question is about reports and indexes. Which institution releases the State of World Population Report? Option A, UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Option B, UNFPA, United Nations Population Fund. Option C, IMF, International Monetary Fund. Option D, World Bank. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, UNFPA. United Nations Population Fund UNFPA recently released a report entitled State of World Population, Seeing the Unseen, the case for action in the neglected crisis of unintended pregnancy. According to the report, nearly half of all pregnancies worldwide are unintended, resulting in 121 million births per year. An estimated 257 million women worldwide do not use safe and effective contraception to prevent pregnancy. Easy question, and the question is about stock markets. The ninth question is on your screen. Which regulator body launched the Ideathon named Manthan? Option A, RBI. Option B, NABARD. Option C, SEBI. Option D, IRDAI. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, SEBI. SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Buch launched the Manthan, a 6-week long Ideathon in association with various institutions including BSc, NSC, NSDL, CDSL, KF Intech, CAMS, LinkedIn Time and MCX. It will facilitate the creation of a set of ideas and innovative solutions related to the securities market in India. Last question is about world geography. 10th question is on your screen. Mount Everest is a part of option A, Mahalangur Himalaya. Option B, Dhaulagiri Himalaya. Option C, Baltoro Karakoram. Option D, Jugal Himalaya. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Mahalangur Himalaya. The Mahalangur Himalaya is a section of the Himalayas in northeast Nepal and south central Tibet of China. It includes Mount Everest, Lhotse, Makalu and Cho Oyu, 4 of Earth's 6 highest peaks.
మీ సమాధానాలను మరియు మీ అభిప్రాయాలను కామెంట్స్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి. మీరు టీశాట్ నుంచి ఎటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలను వీక్షించాలని కోరుకుంటున్నారో ఈ కింది వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కు మీ సందేశాలను పంపగలరు. ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ 7337558051. tsmantvonline@gmail.com. feedback-softnet@telangana.gov.in.